Good morning to all the participants and respected Principal Madam and the mighty faculty. Today we are going to celebrate World No Tobacco Day, which is celebrated every year on 31st of May. The first World No Tobacco Day was celebrated in the year 1981, which was celebrated by WHO. So there are certain aims of this World No Tobacco Day. They have started with the impression of draw the global attention to the tobacco epidemic and the preventable death and diseases which is caused by this consumption of tobacco. So with this idea, we'll be inviting our judges, Dr. Ellen Shaji, Principal, Tabalascon, to say a few words about this World No Tobacco Day, and which will be followed by e-poster presentation. I welcome ma'am.
Thank you, Mahalakshmi, for this e-poster competition to be a judge for this. Before going into the competition, good morning, one and all gathered here. Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Good morning, please.
Fine, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Are you all safe?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Are you all safe?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Why
ma'am.
don't you open your camera? Okay. So no one is affected with COVID or anything, right? Or you are all good health, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very happy to note that you are all doing well and you are all attending your classes regularly. So as you all know that as Professor Mahalakshmi was mentioning that today is a World Tobacco Day. So why this is very important to commemorate? Maybe you might be thinking that in which way it is related to our health. That too, during this pandemic period, is it necessary to conduct this or commemorate this World No Tobacco Day? It is very important to commemorate this day at this time of pandemic also. You know that according to the statistics, around 8 million death is taking place every year due to smoking. Actually, smoking related laryngeal cancer or lung cancer, or it is due to some other respiratory diseases or cardiac diseases. Now, the COVID also joined with this. Mainly, it affects the lungs, right? It affects the alveoli of the lungs, and the lung capacity is getting reduced here. So, according to the recent mortality rate, in the article, I have read that the people who are the smokers are more and more getting affected with this COVID. Of course, all of us almost get affected with this COVID, but in that also, the statistics shows that the people who are smokers are very much affected. And even the other people who got affected, maybe with mild and moderate COVID, they are able to get rid of the illness. But whereas the people with having the habit of smoking for many years, the mortality rate is very high, they are saying. That's a very simple reason behind it, because already we all studied that smoking causes lung cancer and smoking affects the lungs, right? So this COVID also unfortunately affecting the lungs. So when this COVID virus started affecting the lungs, the capability for the smokers to come out of this illness is really challenging. And even for the normal people, it is very difficult to come out from this illness. And even after COVID also, after 14 days, people are facing so many post-COVID complications like breathlessness and exertion, dyspnea while exertion, and there are some GI problems and dizziness. All these are continuing. So, and imagine about how the smokers will be. Definitely for the smokers, the mortality is very high in COVID. So during this COVID situation, it is our responsibility, the health professionals' responsibility, to create awareness about what is the importance of quitting smoking. And even I have read in one article that because of so many awareness programs were given, and during this COVID period, many doctors during the interview, they have reported that people who are the smokers, the mortality rate is high. After hearing this news, during this pandemic period, many people started quitting smoking. So that's a good thing. They are not only preventing COVID, or not only we are avoiding the fatalities secondary to this, at the same time, the lung cancer can be prevented. So today is the day we need to think about all these smoking related diseases and smoking related complications, and what is the impact of quitting smoking during this pandemic period. It is our responsibility, the health professionals' responsibility, to create awareness to the general public and how quitting smoking will help their promotion of health. With this small information, and I would like to congrats all of you for attending this program and getting some kind of knowledge about it. And I welcome all the people who are going to participate in the e-poster competition, and we will see that how they have explained their views in no smoking. There is a commit to quit, right? So that is the theme. Based on the theme, how they have projected their ideas, we will see to that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for arranging this event, Professor Mahalakshmi, for arranging this, organizing this event, and other faculties also joined with us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for a very excellent introduction regarding this World No Tobacco Day celebration. Dear students, today we are going to have e-poster presentation by the first year BSc Nursing students and the second year BSc Nursing students. And we have totally 11 participants have submitted the e-poster and been selected for the presentation today.
Poster number 1, Kiran Baby Varghese, second year BSc Nursing. In my poster, we can see that the quitters are winners. Now there is a pandemic situation is going on. There is smoking is an important part of that situation. The COVID-19 pandemic situation has made millions of tobacco users want to quit smoking. With nearly 60% of tobacco users are quitted around the world, and 30% of the global population having assessed the quality of tobacco cessation service. Then in my poster, we can see that there is a cigarette that containing some people's pictures also. That representing that the tobacco usage not only affect with the tobacco smoking, but also all the family members and all the community will affect with that, and also they will affect with some problems. And today there is a pandemic situation. Smokers have up to 50% higher risk of developing severe diseases and death from COVID-19 situation. So quitting is the best thing smokers can do, lower their risk from COVID-19 as well as the risk of developing cancer. We can the act of smoking involves the fingers and possibly contaminated cigarette coming in contact with the lips and increase the risk of transmission of coronavirus and also another virus from hand to mouth. Moreover, chewing of tobacco products is associated with usually spitting in public places, which also accelerate the risk of transmission of COVID-19 through the saliva products. Then through the saliva product, and WHO Quit Challengers reported gives daily notification and tips and encourage to the people who are using tobaccos. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kiran. Next participant, Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi Babu, second year BSc Nursing. Today I'm going to do a poster presentation on World Tobacco Day. Today is May 31st. As we all know, today is the World No Tobacco Day. The theme is commit to quit. It means we have to prevent the smoking from the society. Then quit when you can stop, you don't want to, and when you want to stop, you can't. It means if the starting stage of smoking, if you think you can do the you can stop, but afterwards if you can't stop cause it's very smoking affects very badly in your body, so at that time you can't stop that. Then as we all know that smoking mainly affects the lungs and respiratory system, and it also affects the other systems in your body. Smoking leads to some clinical conditions like asthma, cancer, heart attack, tuberculosis, stroke, bronchitis, etc. Other clinical conditions are there related to smoking. A small fact about smoking is a pack a day smoker will lose 2 teeth every 10 years. It's a weird thing, but it's the truth. If you take any smoker, you should see the loss of the teeth every 10 years. Then a cigarette is the only consumer product which, when used as directed, kills its consumer. Not only cigarette, it's like alcohol also kills its own consumer. Then these are some small facts about smoking. Cigarette is the only consumer product if we consume smoking or cigarette, it badly affect your body, and we have to prevent. We have to stop smoking. It's a main in this situation, and it's never too late to stop smoking. It's a life-threatening. It leads to life-threatening conditions. Okay, thank you.
Next person is Sri Raj.
We celebrate around the world every day here on May 31st. World No Tobacco Day was created by the members of states of WHO in to draw global tobacco epidemic and preventable death and disease it causes. Then the 2021 No Tobacco Day theme is committed to quit. I given a picture that the difference between the healthy person's lungs and smoking person's lungs. Tobacco use increase the risk for many types of cancer such as lung cancer. Studies show that direct link between coronary heart disease. Smoking during teenage years increase the risk for dying from COPD. We all knew that adolescent age groups or teenagers are mostly attracted towards the tobacco items because of their they're seen in cinema also more using smoking cigarettes and tobacco items, so they think that it's an heroism and they're more attracted towards it, so and they don't know about its after effects. Then harmful effects of tobacco smoking include cancer, stroke, heart attack, coughing, shortness of breath, reduction in the sense of taste and smell, loss of vision, pneumonia, cataracts, memory loss, neurological damage, perforation in lungs, digestive problem, even sterility also. And tobacco, we cannot say that the tobacco use lead on cancer. It affects all over the body: mouth, pharynx, voice box, acute myeloid leukemia, kidney, uterine, ovaries, urinary bladder, colon and rectum, pancreas, stomach, liver, lungs, esophagus, all over the body it will affect. In the next picture, I showed that life expectancy is reducing via smoking. As the cigarette will turn into ashes, our life is also turning into ashes. If we like to stop it today itself, if the persons who are smoking like to stop it today itself, they can enjoy life later or bad effect tomorrow. If the persons they want to stop it and they can't, then use the national helpline number 1800-112-356. They will help them to stop. Stop smoking, escape yourself, and save the society. That I mean, by stopping the smoking, they can help themselves from the cancer and like that diseases. And save the society means we know that there are primary and secondary smokers or active and passive smokers. By active smokers, they smoke themselves. The passive smokers who breathe the smoke, they which came from the active smokers, the bad breath, it will affect their body also. They also causes cancer and other diseases, and this it should be stopped, and they have to save the society also.
Thank you, Sriraj. Next will be Devika.
Good morning to one and all. I'm Devika, second year BSc Nursing. Through my e-poster, I would like to explain that you are not living if you are smoking. You are taking a small steps towards a disaster life. Saying no may be the hardest part, but it's just as rewarding. The only thing that smoking brings along with it is diseases, which later converts in death and despair your loved ones. Don't let tobacco take your breath away. Save yourself and your family from a disaster like this by quitting tobacco. Thank you.
Thank you, Devika. Next, we'll have first year students going to present. First will be Adira.
So the COVID-19 pandemic has led to millions of tobacco users saying that they want to quit tobacco. So therefore the theme of this year's No Tobacco Day would be relevant, as the pandemic has led to tobacco users saying they want to quit tobacco. Put it out before it puts you out. This is what I have something discovered. It's just this one time. Any type of addicts convince themselves of this before they put their lives to waste. Various disease and damage the lungs, heart, kidney faces when you smoke, actually looking horrible, and most importantly feeling horrible every hour of the day is not worth than ruining is not worth than the 1 minute of satisfaction you get from a cigarette. So I will only encourage, and in fact I will compel my society members to quit tobacco so that they will not ruin their life, and they can commit to quit tobacco this tobacco day. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Adira. Next, we'll have Caroline Nefi.
Good morning to you all. I'm Nifi, studying first year BS Nursing. I'm here going to present e-poster on World No Tobacco Day. So, in my poster, I have mentioned no smoking, no tobacco. Smoking causes cancer. Smoking is injurious to health. And nowadays, the virus stands fungus. There are 3 types of fungus: black fungus, white fungus, and yellow fungus. Yellow fungus is more dangerous than black and white fungus. So don't let tobacco destroy you. Start from destroying tobacco. And this year theme is commit to quit, which means quit smoking and no tobacco. And say no to tobacco. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nifi. Next will be Divya Bharti.
morning to all. I am Divya Bhardi, first year BSc Nursing, e-poster number 8. This is my presentation. Smoking thrills but kills. Smoking causes a slow death which kills a person by damaging his internal organs. It also affects the family members and others surrounding them. Stop smoking and start jogging. The best way of getting away from any addiction is try to concentrate on other alternative habits. So do jogging every day to stop jogging. Be smart, quit smoking. Deciding your smart health improvement of action plan. List one area which you'd like to see improvement is quit using tobacco. A devil in the pocket. Keeping tobacco in our pocket is considered as a keeping devil in our pocket. Quit smoking for our own good. Smoking cannot give a single happiness to our life. It also harmful to our body. Buying tobacco is similar to buying our death. Smoking is a game, you always lose. Smoking like a game, but there is no winners in that particular game. All the players in the game are becoming a loser. Quit smoking and start living. If you want to live your life peaceful, quit smoking by this time. Always remember one thing, happiness is not based on the drug. So you like your life, you live your life along with your family members happily. So in this occasion of World No Tobacco Day, I would like to say spread love and not smoke. Quit tobacco and not life. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Divya Bharati. Next person, Ratna Priya.
Good morning to all. My e-poster number is 9, first year BSc Nursing student. So this is World No Tobacco Day. So say yes to life, no to tobacco. So no matter how you smoke it, tobacco is completely dangerous to our health. So that the substance you inhale don't just affect your lungs. They can affect your entire body and our surroundings also. So here that I mentioned, there are about 4,000 chemicals in tobacco, and out of that, 100 identified poisons is there. So 63 are known to cause cancers. So nicotine is an most addictive drug that takes only 6 seconds to reach our brain. So more than 3 million people under the age of 18 smoke about 1.5 billion cigarettes each year. So over half of those people consider themselves dependent on cigarettes. So smoking causes not only lungs disease, it causes chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and some problems of the immune system. So every 8 seconds, someone in this world dies from a tobacco-related disease. Sorry, tobacco-related illness. So I would like to say that stop smoking before smoking stops you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ratna Priya. Next person is Stella Rachel.
E-poster number 10, Stella Rachel, first year BSc Nursing. As you all know, today is World No Tobacco Day. The objective of the World No Tobacco Day is to reduce tobacco consumption, which can lead you health diseases like cancer and as early death. In my presentation, as shown, it's mentioned that smoking is a habit that drains your money and kills you slowly. It means that smokers should be aware of this because smokes it definitely harmful to them. Money is the wastage of money to being wastage of money to buying the cigarettes and smoking. it will be definitely harmful to your brain, to the heart, and it may cause many health problems, and it will be affect your health and kills you slowly. So I would like to saying that quit smoking as well as start a healthy life. As in this pandemic situation, smokers may be affect and it will be harmful to themselves also. As an nursing as we are all professionals, so we should be give the awareness to smokers or anybody smokers or tobacco users about this, and we should be give them we should be give them information and help them to live as a healthy person. So I am concluding my presentation. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sela. Next person is Gautam.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, today is World Tobacco Day. So my number is 11 and I am from first year BSc Nursing student. So World Tobacco Day is observed around the world everywhere on May 31. The member states the World Health Organization created this in 1987 in draw global attention of the tobacco epidemic and the preventable death and diseases it caused in 1987. The World Health Assembly passed the resolution calling 7 April 1988 to be the World Number Smoking Day. In 1988, a resolution was passed calling for the celebration of World Number Tobacco Day everywhere on 31st May. It aims to reduce the death from tobacco. So the benefits of not using tobacco is, while the most important benefit of quitting smoke is prevention disease and early death, there are many other advantages as well. You will have fresher breath, white teeth, and better smelling hair and clothes. So I am concluding my presentation. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Gautam. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our judges, Dr. Karthika Jairam ma'am, Professor, HOD, Microbiology Department, SSS MCRA, and to our dear madam, Dr. Helen Saji, Principal, SSS. And I also extend a word of thanks to my faculty who helped during the session. And I also extend the heartfelt thanks to the students who have enthusiastically participated in this e-poster competition within a short duration. Okay, and thank you all for all your participation.
Thank you, Karthika ma'am, for your for spending valuable time with us and evaluating these e-posters of our students. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am. It's my pleasure to be a part of this poster competition, which the students have done so well. And some of them have done excellently. I appreciate their effort. In spite of the trying circumstances, they have come out with colorful poster presentation, and some of the presentation are really good. Kudos to the nursing college, the principal and the faculties, as well as the students. Congratulations to each one. Just because you don't win a prize now, don't think you need to quit. As all of you have been telling, quitting is a success. Never ever quit in academic activities. With the bad habits, keep learning. Never quit academic activities. Congratulations to all the 11 participants. Best wishes. Thank you for the opportunity given. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your valuable note at the end. Hope our students will keep participating in the forthcoming Health Day celebrations also. Even though they are in pandemic situation, we know that online education will give a lot of stress and burnout to the students. But in spite of that, they are enthusiastically participating, even though it was a very short notice. Just 2 days ago, we informed and everything was done. But in spite of that, they have participated well and showed their cooperation in this. Thank you so much, students. All the best. much.